Hello class, Mr. Guarino here. In this video, I'm going to illustrate how to add a favicon to your website. Favicon, or favorite icon. And what exactly is that? Well, if you look up here on this tab, you have this little icon right here for Harrison High Schools. Doesn't really look like anything Harrison High School. Well, the reason why that icon is there is because our school website is made using a software called School Messenger. And their website, you can see that that's their icon. So whenever you use their software to make a website, they put their icon on the tab of the browser for your website. But when you make your own website by writing your own HTML code and CSS, you can put your own icon. So here's the icon for my Guarino Land website. In fact, if you open a new tab in Chrome and you get that new tab page, it's got some shortcuts to like your most popular places you go. You can see Guarino Land's got that flag behind the Twin Towers. It's also got the blue tide wave on my CodeHS website. So if I go to my CodeHS website by typing in, I guess I could have just clicked that icon, right? If I go there, you can see it's already loaded the wave icon on the tab. And if I click other pages, it's there as well. Now you can put a different icon on every page, but most people have one icon for their entire website. But that's up to you. So how do we do that? Well, here, if you look, let me make this bigger. Come on, move over. Okay, we know that inside of our head, we're supposed to have this character set to UTF-8. But as we know, by default, browsers default to that UTF-8, but I specified it just for safety, just a little extra bit of making sure it's there. But that's what makes if you put emojis on your website, that makes that text show up from the character set to show up as a little emoji. We know that we have to do this. We have to link our style sheet. Then we can also link a shortcut icon. And so it's link rel shortcut icon href, and then wherever your icon is. So I uploaded mine to CodeHS. That's what you need to do to get it to work. But how do you make a favorite icon, a favicon? Well, let's go and search that up. Make favicon. And there's a bunch of them. I've used this one before, so I'm going to use this one again. You can use whichever one you like, but I know this one, it's really easy to use. Lots of times on these free things, they give you links up here that are just going at things. They're ads for stuff you can buy. Here's the actual make it work stuff. And I'm going to click choose file. I already saved the file in my downloads folder called James and the Giant Peach. Let's see if I can change this to icons. There you go. So it looks like that. Why am I choosing that? I don't know. I had it in a folder somewhere when I was looking for pictures. So let's say you're making a website all about the play James and the Giant Peach. There you go. Good favicon to put on your tabs. We had done that as a play some years ago in school. And after you've chosen it, just click Create Favicon. It creates a lot of different files, a lot of different picture files that you can use. But the one we want is going to be the one that's just called favicon. But we're going to download, it's going to download a zipped folder. Then you'll show it in the folder. To get the files out of the zipped folder, you just right click, say extract all. If you have this checked, it'll show the folder once they've been extracted. I like to keep it off. The reason for that is just to show people that you get basically the same exact thing, but without the .zip. Notice over here, let me go to extra large icons. It's got a big zipper on it. So that means these files are compressed. And the reason why they do that, it's a great way to transport a bunch of files over the internet without having to download all the files independently or separately. So they all come in one package. But you can't really, you can sometimes open this just the way it is, but it's not advisable. You're supposed to extract it, and now you can see it showing me a preview because now it knows what's in that folder. So this you always go back and delete. And then you use this. So if I double click on this and go back to, let's say, medium icons, you'll see that there's one here called favicon.ico. That's what we want to use. So let me minimize this, go to my CodeHS website, and let's say I just want to put it on my home page. So on my home page, notice when I click from one page to the next, this head section remains the same. So I'm going to go to index, and I'm going to first do more, upload file. Don't choose the picture, go inside that folder, find the favicon.ico, click that, say open. It uploads it pretty quick because it's just a little picture. Click on here to copy it. Once you click on it, it's automatically copied. Come here and paste over that. Hit save. And then, if you go back to your website and click home, or wherever page you put it on, you'll see that there's no longer the blue wave. Now I have James and the Giant Peach. My other pages still have the blue wave. Okay, so that's how you put a favicon on the tab of your browser. Pretty simple. Have fun. Thank you.